Every few months, a new video spreads across the internet showing robots laying bricks, giant machines digging without drivers, or 3D printers building houses. These videos often create fear. People start asking the same question again and again. Will artificial intelligence replace construction workers? Some believe millions of workers could lose their jobs by 2035 because machines will do everything faster and cheaper. But the reality is much more complicated. The truth is that AI is unlikely to replace most construction workers. Instead, AI may become a tool that helps solve one of the biggest problems facing construction today, a serious shortage of skilled workers. The future of construction may not be humans versus machines. It may become humans working alongside machines. To understand why AI probably will not destroy construction jobs, we first need to understand the industry's biggest crisis. The real problem is not too many workers. The problem is too few workers. Many experienced construction workers are approaching retirement age. Large numbers of older employees are leaving the workforce every year. Reports suggest around 41% of construction workers in the United States may become eligible for retirement by 2031. At the same time, fewer young people are entering skilled trades. Many younger workers choose office jobs or technology careers instead of construction work. As older workers retire and fewer young workers replace them, companies struggle to find enough employees to complete projects. Studies show the U.S. labor force could shrink significantly over the coming decades. Estimates suggest there may be around 1.2 million fewer workers by 2040. In the shorter term, millions of workers may disappear from the labor market because of retirements. Immigration has also slowed compared with previous decades, reducing another source of labor. Meanwhile, construction demand continues increasing. Countries need new roads, bridges, houses, warehouses, hospitals, factories, renewable energy projects, and data centers. More infrastructure means more workers are needed, yet fewer workers are available. This creates a huge imbalance. In some periods, over 500,000 construction jobs in America remained unfilled because companies could not find enough people. At the same time, global construction spending continues growing rapidly. Research predicts trillions of dollars will be invested into real estate and infrastructure during the coming decade. Governments are spending heavily on transportation systems, green energy, and urban development. Companies need warehouses for online shopping growth. Technology firms need massive data centers to support cloud computing and AI systems. Housing shortages require millions of new homes. All these projects increase pressure on the construction industry. The question becomes, who will build everything? Without enough workers, projects slow down, costs rise, and economic growth suffers. This is where AI enters the discussion. Many people imagine AI replacing humans entirely. But construction sites are very different from factories. Factories operate in controlled environments. Machines repeat identical tasks every day. Car manufacturing lines, for example, are highly organized. Conditions rarely change. Construction sites are completely different. Every site has different weather, terrain, materials, schedules, and unexpected problems. Rain can delay work. Deliveries may arrive late. Designs can change suddenly. Workers from different trades overlap. Construction environments are messy and unpredictable. AI systems struggle more in chaos than in controlled settings. Because construction sites constantly change, complete automation remains extremely difficult. Instead of replacing humans, AI is currently helping with specific tasks. One example is autonomous heavy equipment. Some companies develop systems allowing bulldozers and excavators to perform repetitive digging or earth-moving work using GPS, cameras, and AI software. These machines can operate with less direct human control. However, humans are still essential. Workers supervise operations, handle unexpected situations, and make important decisions. Machines may perform repetitive work, but humans remain responsible for oversight and safety. Interestingly, new job roles are appearing because of automation. Some workers now supervise autonomous equipment instead of operating machinery directly. These employees combine traditional construction knowledge with technological skills. Rather than eliminating jobs, AI changes what jobs look like. Workers who learn to use advanced tools may become more valuable. Companies increasingly need employees who understand both construction and digital technology. This means future construction careers may require new skills, including software use, robotics management, and data interpretation. Another technology attracting huge attention is 3D printing. Videos showing houses printed in less than a day create excitement and concern. The idea sounds revolutionary. Giant machines deposit layers of material until walls appear. Several impressive projects already exist. Engineers have printed eco-friendly homes using natural materials. Metal bridges have been produced using robotic systems. Military organizations have tested printed buildings for rapid construction in difficult environments. These developments prove 3D printing has potential. However, the technology has limits. A printed structure often creates only part of a building. Walls may be produced quickly, but many tasks still require human workers. Electrical systems need installation. Plumbing must be fitted carefully. Heating and cooling systems require expertise. Finishing work often depends on skilled tradespeople. Complex repairs and adjustments remain difficult for robots. Tasks requiring creativity, judgment, and adaptation still depend heavily on humans. This means 3D printing may reduce labor for some activities while increasing demand for workers with advanced technical skills. AI is also transforming construction through software rather than physical robots. Modern AI tools analyze building plans, estimate material costs, monitor progress, and identify possible delays. Cameras combined with AI can compare actual site conditions with digital designs. Drones survey land much faster than traditional methods. Computer vision systems may detect safety risks before accidents occur. These technologies improve efficiency, yet professionals remain responsible for final decisions. Engineers still approve designs. Managers still coordinate teams. Human accountability remains critical because mistakes in construction can affect public safety. Legal responsibility is another major reason humans will remain important. If a building fails or an engineering mistake causes harm, licensed professionals must answer for those decisions. AI systems cannot legally assume responsibility in many situations. Algorithms may produce errors or biased outputs. Sometimes AI recommendations cannot be fully explained. For this reason, experts emphasize that AI should support professionals rather than replace them. Human judgment remains essential when safety, ethics, and accountability matter. Research suggests industries facing severe labor shortages may experience less job replacement from AI. Construction belongs to this category. Healthcare shows similar patterns. By contrast, some experts believe office-based industries such as finance, information services, and administration may experience stronger disruption because many tasks involve processing data and documents. Construction depends more on physical work, site coordination, and practical problem-solving. These activities remain difficult for AI to perform independently. As a result, construction workers may face transformation rather than disappearance. However, another challenge is emerging: the skills gap. Surveys show many construction professionals believe AI will become essential within a few years. Yet only a small percentage currently use AI tools regularly. This creates a dangerous mismatch. Companies understand technology matters, but workers often lack training. Many employees must teach themselves using online courses or videos. Educational institutions may need to redesign programs to include robotics, digital systems, AI tools, and modern construction technology. Workers who learn these skills early could gain major advantages. The construction industry is also changing because of sustainability goals and smarter buildings. Governments and customers increasingly demand energy-efficient structures. Smart systems controlling lighting, heating, cooling, and security continue growing. Digital building models help coordinate complex projects. Future buildings will combine physical structures with advanced technology. To build these systems successfully, workers must understand both traditional construction methods and new digital tools. The future worker may carry a tablet alongside traditional equipment. Knowledge could become as important as physical strength. So, will AI replace millions of construction workers by 2035? Current evidence suggests the answer is largely no. The bigger story is not machines taking jobs away. The bigger story is an industry struggling to find enough skilled workers while demand keeps rising. AI may become a powerful assistant helping workers build faster, safer, and more efficiently. Construction has always adapted to new tools, from power drills to computer software. AI may simply become the next tool. The workers most at risk may not be those competing with robots, but those refusing to learn how to use them. In the coming decade, successful construction professionals may not be replaced by AI. They may become stronger because of it. The future of construction could belong to workers who know how to combine human judgment, experience, and creativity with the speed and precision of intelligent machines.